For our next topic, we're going to talk about garbage. Now, garbage is much different here than it is in America. It's much different, or in England or wherever you're from. It's they always divide it up into different bags. So the first one we're going to talk about is this red bag. And it is burnable garbage. Now, what goes in here is anything that is burnable, obviously. So you have your papers, your different kinds of cardboard, anything that you can burn that isn't toxic and won't and isn't dangerous in any kind of way. So this also includes like food waste items and things like that. So anything burnable goes into the red burnable garbage.
If we're looking right here, and you notice the burnable garbage right here, anything like waste type of paper, any type of kitchen material, oils you put in there, you put in clothing. You're also going to want to put in any type of diapers or sanitary products. Also, if you have any type of wood, which I doubt you will, but in case you do, you're going to want to wrap it in a bag, just like this, and put it out in the garbage can also.
Okay, now the next one we're going to talk about is the blue bag. And the blue bag is unburnable garbage. So this is, this doesn't mean plastics and everything like that. We'll get to those in a second. This is non-recyclable, non-burnable garbage. So anything that, like shattered glass or anything extremely toxic, or not batteries. Batteries go in their own places as well as fluorescent lights, but other kind of light bulbs and things would go in here. So any kind of non-burnable, non-recyclable garbage goes into the blue bag.
Looking close right here is our non-burnable section. You're going to pretty much put in any type of broken hangers, spray bottles also, lighters go in here, any type of broken dishware, broken fluorescent tubes, even boots and umbrellas and stuff like that are going to go into this one. Also anything pierced, any type of pierced can goes in here too, just to be safe. You can also put metals in these as well.
Okay, the next one we're going to talk about is the yellow bag. Now this is the plastic recyclables that are also non-burnables. So you're going to want to put like all of your different kinds of like ramen packaging and plastic wraps and everything into this bag. So anything that is plastic, non-burnable, goes into here. This is going to be quite a few items, and in a second now my associate will show you exactly which items you should put in here.
Okay, next on the topic is going to be stuff that goes in the yellow bags. If you look right here, that says pura, and pura means purastiku. So anything that has that label is going to go into this bag. You're going to put your ramen containers, any type of snack packs, chip bags, stuff like that. Egg containers also go in there. Any type of shampoo bottles. You're going to also be looking at yogurt and pudding containers as well. Any type of tubes, toothpaste and stuff like that, medicine containers right here. And then you're also going to be looking down here. You want to separate them obviously with the pura label. Make sure you clean out the items. So when you're finished with your ramen, just rinse it out real quick. Also, don't double wrap anything, because you send it into the sorting area and they have to sort everything out, because they have to cut the bags open and then they would have to cut open a second bag, and it's actually quite time costly. So just make sure you don't double wrap anything.
Okay, so the last bag we're going to talk about is this green one. Now this one is all of your other recyclables. This one is going to be your like standard water bottles and your different kinds of cans or bottles, so like any kind of like soda bottle or beer bottle or beer can or soda can. They all go into here. You can also recycle like pots and pans that you're not using anymore or anything like that. That would go into this bag, the green bag.
Okay, last on the menu is going to be the green bags, like Bill said. You're going to be looking at any type of recyclables that you normally do in your own country. Cans, any type of bottles, specifically water bottles, soda bottles, stuff like that. You can also put different types of pans and frying pans, any type of stuff like that in there. And just make sure you do this also right here. You're going to want to remove every lid, so every cap, and every label also, because those will be going into the yellow bag labeled pura. And you can tell on that because on the label itself it'll tell you that as well. And that is
The way we do garbage.